In this video, we are going to see how we can save a sketch in one model and use it in another model in Fusion 360. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notifications bell. You can follow me on Instagram, where I upload my latest product designs using Fusion 360. In this model, we have a slot over here. This is a slot and this is a sketch. So exactly this sketch, if I need on this plank, what can I do? One thing is I can take the dimensions of this sketch and again draw everything on this by taking this as my sketching plane. But that would be tedious. So what I can do is I can copy the sketch here and then place it over here. Let us see how we can do that. So from the browser, you can see which sketch it is. So here I see that it is sketch 9. So I'm right clicking on this sketch 9 and click on save as DXF. Then here I can save it. I'm saving it as copy. So now I can go to this plank, this particular model, and then I can say Insert DXF. So it is asking on which sketching plane. So I need that slot on this plane, so I'm selecting this. Now I have to select the DXF file. So here is my DXF file, which I'm going to select. And here you can see it has by default come here, which is exactly the position where it was lying in my previous model. Now I can move it. I can move it even using the dialog box. So here I have this slot. Now I can use the sketch exactly like how I have used this sketch in my previous model. So I can extrude it and obtain my slot, which is exactly the same as this.